In this video, we will see about SQL statements. We have 5 different types of SQL statements: data query language or data retrieval language, DDL, DML, TCL, DCL. Data query language, DQL means data query language. Data query language. DRL means data retrieval language. DDL means data definition language. DML means data manipulation language. TCL means transaction control language. DCL means data control language. Okay. SQL statement 5 types: data query language or data retrieval language. Next, DDL, DML, TCL, DCL. Data query language means select keyword. DDL means create, rename, truncate, alter, drop. These are DDL statement: create, alter, drop, rename, truncate. DML means insert, update, delete, merge. TCL means commit, rollback, save point. DCL means grant, revoke. Okay, first we will see data query language or data retrieval language. Okay, now I am opening Oracle SQL Developer tool. This is the tool we can execute all SQL statements. First, we are seeing data query language or data retrieval language. Select star from employees table. Now I will run this query. it will display result. Here select and from, these are mandatory classes, mandatory keywords. Without these keywords we cannot format SQL queries. Here star means all columns from the table. Here employees means this is the table name. Okay, if we use select statement, it will display whatever values available in the employees table. Here I am using employees table. In the employees table we have employee ID, name, department ID. These columns available, these are values: employee ID 1, employee name A, department ID 10, employee ID 2, name B, department ID 20. Okay, if we need any specific columns, we can mention that column only, like employee ID. Now I am running. Now employee ID only displaying. If you want additional one more column, you can mention here name. Okay, now employee ID, name, both are displaying. If you want all columns from the table, we should use star here. Okay, we will see about DDL statement in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.